Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim with the dually configuration, powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a bit of a lift installed, as you might be able to tell. You've got running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, vent shades on the windows, but let's take a look inside. It can be locked at the hinge here for added security. And full leather interior, of course, fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having two more right here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on the cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 37,535 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. And you have your truck info with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine information, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again. You have the box view for hooking up a fifth wheel, or having an easier time hooking up a fifth wheel. And above that you have your premium B&O sound systems. Your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your climate control, your physical climate controls. Again, dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left you have your 4x4 controls and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Moving down below you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there to charge. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders that can be turned into 4, and then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.